From there, my boyfriend dead. He get crazy. He talk patient.
How you talk about now?
Damian Crawford.
Eh.
Just from him man dead, him just talk patient.
That how?
Rex Casafort.
How you get your story then, my brother? I put me around now. What you say? Uncle Rex used to trouble him?
Uncle Rex want to take care of him.
Okay. What you say? That's why I'm bright, sir.
No, he's not right no more. He might chat patient.
So you know about in business, man.
Get no to people business here.
Da da dee, da da do. I want to John Chap, yeah. You say Uncle Rex used to teach him about university there.
Yes.
In the drama.
Yes, the drama out there.
Okay, that's why he come now and I try to be a drama. The white car. No one be seen drive car tomorrow. Tomorrow I go drive car in the city. I run taxi tomorrow.
Yeah.
Excuse yeah.
Take me down, that export and I click. Just take me down that box when the guy.
Alright. Connected. Man, gone. Boy, I'm with the life you ask him if you have any friend in the force. They were. Yeah, man. I know tomorrow on Monday. On Monday, I'm going to drive taxi. Monday. I want to see the Elliston some patrol, some serious patrol. I want to see put out on the road and see. PP, I can't just get up and run taxis.
No, you can't do like that. You must get like that.
Look at the robot. Because I'm just one bombshell a while ago.
You love it. You don't go and talk.
I'm just a bombshell. Uncle Rex. Uncle Rex. We never know about Bridget. Uncle Rex used to say. That's how we don't like the rumor thing over here, sir, and the propaganda.
The propaganda in the room, I must go to dance at the dance group.
Oh, yeah. Wait, say you know about them thing there?
You must go to the dance group, fight acting.
Okay. Maybe that's why I'm so sure we are so lax at these guys. You ask them thing there.
Correct.
Continue to talk Orlando.
Who that?
No, Mr. Go and talk now.
Tomorrow night, no one see the meeting of the Prime Minister wife here. Big meeting tomorrow.
A big thing tomorrow night.
Yeah.
So,
but you know what we want to talk about? The time him go up pipe in glass. You should have get a bus, put the boys in it, carry them to go to the trade team where the Prime Minister have.
the
Then
art.
they can sign up. Yes. Sign up. I say if you can read and write good, you can fill out the form for them. Because some people can read and write, but they're good with them and you know. You know that?
Yeah.
Trade man.
That we are saying now. That we are saying now. If should have go there and get them, all of the youth, they will have a meeting with them.
Yeah, put them in a bus and carry them go art. I learn that trade.
I make them video, you might carry the youth, them go art.
Yes. Learn
And
that
video,
trade.
you over art with all the youth, them get their register.
Correct.
And show us where we put in 30 youth off
Right.
High Street.
That's
In
it.
the art.
So Jamaica, so what?
They couldn't
All the
lose.
time there's a white glass. All the young youth, them kind of feel like white class, they go to school out there. $4 Come on, man. PNP party have no thinking at all. You know, go to learn barbering, electrician. The best mechanic. You know, most man tell a reader writer them are #1 mechanic. An electrician and barber. You know that?
Yeah. But I want to talk to him in Jamaica right now, because them say it's still people short.
That's it.
All them big great old man out there wipe car glass, if you go learn a skill, man.
That's it. Man, Lord, that's skill. You know?
That's why exactly we should have go down. Instead of him participating in the act of wipe car glass.
Right. Carry them, take about 30 of them and carry them on.
Yeah. Even 20 of them. Because the only for them to follow them.
They can't go up and cut with them, they can't pull it out. Sit down and pull it out for them.
Right, and make sure you sit down there and get all of them register.
Right.
You know the respect them what people have for him.
Of course.
No, that right, you're laughing, stacking care, go a meeting tonight.
It's not going to pay people tonight.
A man tell me some meeting go on and him not there. Well, if they put him like doghouse.
Yeah, I tell you. And they accept our mother next. Before joke aside, man. It make Jamaica look bad when they go do that. Let them buy white glass. You know? That's not this that.
The man them think at the opposite of the government them a bring down at the country.
Yeah. No.
You know? You can't bring down your country, brother. No matter what. Because the country will always be there. You can't bring down your country.
That's how it is.
Right.
And if they want to be the opposition spokesman and education,
Yeah.
then it's
And
just
that you bring down the country for that 52-1. Then the same country want to bring down another rule over the ashes. Want to put it down.
Alright.
That makes sense, brother. When you talk policies, when I do for help the country.
Right.
Instead of talk foolishness, we try down the country.
Yeah, and a bad boat or him dark or ribbon mixing. And the jacket him
I
get.
look a full talk there.
And jacket him get. Bad jacket. Oh, ribbon.
All them things I look a gimmicks thing. I feel gimmicks thing copy them. I don't understand what them say Damian Bright, you know.
You don't see him bright at all.
I don't understand the brightness when them talk about saying bright. Because if you're bright, you wouldn't come up with all them foolish gimmicks there.
Oh, I remember when he said he may prefer cut off him locks and give them back the money.
Yeah.
Okay.
All them look a foolish talk there.
In that term, I prefer cut off the locks and keep the money. So, it's true. It
Doesn't sound bright to me, brother.
Eh? No, that's all right.
That there and them action the way them do is not somebody way bright to me.
No, sir. I don't know who I advise him, but I imagine to get to the Mark Golding. When he get to the Mark Golding, he get bad hate, and he can't go in that. He want God leader, you know. But he will never get it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
All right. Well, that's all Orlando.
Yeah?
You want to hear from the first people, the people that just are coming in our box.
Yes.
Sandra.
That's the talk, yeah.
Good night, good night.
Yeah, good night.
Yeah. Well, I wonder where Damien get out of half a trade. I mean, they respect Damien as a PNP and me a labor rights, they don't have a respect for him. But me lose it. Lose it, man.
Them losing way, yes.
Losing way, man. You get out of half a tree. But in the cups are dirty foot slippers. The most of all the cups slippers we have, man.
Right.
You just to the occasion.
When you gone out there, so you say you have a wife car gas. You don't put out one, but they have one crocs.
Actually, guys.
You put on a dirty foot slipper like carry nobody. And kill the day they have something go drive Monday morning. You know, go drive you must say, and you full life and give me about. You must say make him come over the come more in my drive and I have my license and I go the right thing and this way what gonna happen. Cause he must say my plan for him.
You know, some police I look out if you see my really I drive taxi with people in there and analyze that
He
people.
say he must say he must out there himself. He must say he must out there himself.
I don't think him gonna bring through that one day.
Him better not bring through it. Better not.
Him see the backlash will go on.
He see it. You think he fool? He see everything will go on. You see, I want me the since that I don't know what they said and they do that.
You see him on the stage?
Him not there. Him not there.
I want to make sure we're him there. I want to know if him there for real.
Him not there at the meeting because me not see him. Because me did I look for the meeting.
Which part of the meeting, Keith?
I don't show which part of the meeting. Upon live, me did I watch it.
You say Westmoreland.
You know what people them bossing? Holy.
But here them say they're going to put tax on the imported food, you know.
Yeah.
Somebody say them say Max they're going to put tax on the imported food.
This is a man sense.
Tax kill them.
You think the people them food will bring them back? And me can't tell the Jamaican people them and the day anytime bro God call it they go do the right thing. Choose Jamaica. Because the most promising country are going to...
I'm saying now, how they would have come up with putting tax on them thing there, and the country run right now, and not tax on them. Why would they want to put tax on them? The country run now without tax and being on them thing there. Why would they want to put tax on them?
Because they know I'm nothing to say, nothing to do. So they might come with them foolishness. They still don't know where they talk. They have nothing for campaign for, not a thing. Then right, you know, time come for them go back where they did there. So I don't know when the time come for. Cause I don't like can't tell what time come for, you know. Time come for them go put back on the slavery.
That's it.
And that they want to put it back on there. Me no another one day. We can't wait for the day call it up.
Soldier couldn't even get food for eating at that time. Pay bread. No money, no raise of pay. The Labour Party coming to power, give them everything.
To call long, then give the people them best freeze. Eh?
Yes.
You see all the little talk when they go talk about 2 hours. They think, hey, teacher, no one not 2 hours.
No, sir.
So, hey, me tell you something. I only for teacher friend, remember they say somebody else say they need that vote, but they might come out of vote because they don't want that. They don't want it. Hey, they just nail one nail enough for them cough, you know.
Yes, anything you them talk, they need it. Trust me.
I truth, anything them talk, I them a plan, I them a come with. Kind of for them mind now, so something good them a come with, you know. Alright, teachers do extra lessons. Sometimes extra lessons over 3:34.
Right.
When extra lessons over them the time, and teacher will do we go do 2 extra class. What time that? 6 o'clock. What time some kids are gonna get to home?
To cut their husband dinner.
Yeah. But what time some of the kids are gonna get to home? You know, think about the kids them same way?
Yeah.
Because some of them go up on the road channel and then them talk about them no want the school bus.
And teachers never ask kids to go home and take care of them house.
Take care of them house. Teachers have a life just the same. The teacher left school room, some of them go and go cook same way, you know. Go do all kind of house chores same way, you know. Because everybody can use helper, you know. So teachers have a life.
I'm a fair man paper.
Of course, but when they left school, they still that school, you know, because they go home, they have them plan, they lesson plan for do, then still they go mark book, still they go mark papers and all these things. So what time they more get for themselves?
At that time.
Tap on the screen.
No time them now get. All me I tell the Jamaica and people them do the right thing. Open up in the eye. When election morning come, me I tell all liberals is done vote by 12 o'clock. And sit down and wait for go celebrate.
And one of the J. Brian, the J1. Oh, the matter about PNP, in a PNP.
And that then like.
And they love, they like the back door.
You don't realize PNP love you know so much gold in hand there. Eh?
That's true.
You know, I see my hand there. And they like them for gala we never go. No time come.
That's a bullshit, man.
No time can come come and see what time come for. But I want to me you see 49 seats we have and 2 more seats me I look for pan it.
I look for what I want.
Me I look for he must take the seat over so and Young for take the one from Phillips. Then 2 seats me I look for.
Right.
Me nah look for no more.
Okay, even 2.
Even 2. And then 2 them me really I look back for me 49. Me nah be greedy. Then 2 them me I look so far. If me get more me take it, but I let 2 them me I look for so far. And me them a talk about done or lose. Done nah lose. Cause you see my constituency and done a border.
Right.
West Rural and done a border.
Oh.
And me can tell you, part of how me there, part of my place, which part me live, one side of the road, a St. Mary, one side a St. Andrew.
Okay.
Don't nah lose. So me them a talk about done. Me don't nah lose.
I was
Juliet
five
nah lose. Carissa nah, cause them da female joining. 3 we join. St. Catherine, St. Mary, and St. Andrew.
Yeah. Oh.
So them the 3 seats they made them a 3 clear seat. Don't do a lot of work. But them attack what more we do already. And look how long PNP have it and they not do nothing.
Don't do a lot of work.
A lot of work. Because there's Mr. Road up on my side when me say it no fix how much years. Me see how when Mr. Green did there. Every minute he up there, every minute he and Green never fix that road and done me say come fix it. So me not see what them a talk about. Whatever Andrew and the MP are doing at 9 years, they do enough. And they can't do more what they do. And everything can't done one time. God could have built the world now one time and they never do it, you know.
Right.
It have to go step by step. So we are going little by little, but we need the 3rd term to kind of finish up and straighten up.
Right.
And may land make somebody else start.
Alright.
Mama, you start good. I
Yeah,
want to tell you what I'm going to do with Sylvia. With
Jamaica first.
Oh.
Jamaica first.
Yeah, man, me there, man. Listen what I go on, is it?
Mute your mic there, Orlando. Mute your mic there.
Yeah, man, the people in place know say, yo, do the right thing. Cause yesterday was 400 years now since slavery abolished. And yet, the PNP people them who are fighting Mark Golden, you know, say Mark Golden 4 parents, him was a slave owner. You understand? PNP, I mean, Jamaica no good. All PNP want back a state power to come rob and tax out poor people, yeah. You understand? The people them to wise up, brother, and know, so listen to the country, I'm moving on a good direction right now. So keep it there, give Andrew one more chance, one more term. Make it see how best thing can do because he do a great job so far. So we can continue with it. We can't afford to have a new man right now, we don't have no plans. All them walk and drink white rum, push on the body and smell the finger. all then something there. We don't want a prime minister, brother. We want a prime minister where we can look up to and know, say, yes, this is a man with integrity. Mark Golden don't have that. Mark Golden discharged Jamaica already in the 90s, man, Peter Bunting. So we know where them come again, Kondo. The people that saw Manchester for realize I know say Bunting is no good. Because it was a central Manchester. And the way how we take care of the place broke out and mash up and pop down. We know say Mandeville, central Manchester, Mandeville town was one of the cleanest city in Jamaica in the 80s. The cleanest city.
You think of no crime, you know, man. The crime is there in place, you know.
The security metal say back in the days, most resigned residents from all over the world, when they want a safe haven to come relax and enjoy the nice cool breeze, they might come to Manchester, they might come to Mandeville side. And from Peter Bunting, come to Mandeville, in this char the fabric of the cool, nice Manchester, and turn Mandeville in a garbage heap and tile it and gunman town. You understand? Them man they not pay no attention to the town or the people or the constituency. All them worry about is state power. That's all them man they worry about state power. Peter Bunting is one of the worst Minister of Security Jamaica ever see. And the reason I say that are the first in a history a Ministry of National Security ever get robbed in Jamaica. And it's Peter Bunting. Peter Bunting was the first Minister of National Security to come out on stage and had to live in the water. And so they can't manage crime. The country want divine intervention. So how can we really think to put back them people here in the House of Parliament again? When they feel the people of Jamaica, they feel the people of Central Manchester. In this try, the whole town centre Mandeville. And then now you get kicked out of the town and you come next door in the bush now. With the one bag of street talk and promises. You want the worst MP Jamaica ever see. So I know where you go. The people them down a south, they tell you say, they don't want you down here. They don't need you. And the remarks when you pass about the bus them, that me them also don't want to see you down here. So. Everywhere you go, you mark destruction for the back of you. You see Peter Bunting. There is no good for nobody at all. We don't want you to sort Manchester, brother. Because we don't want you to come back and destroy your place and turn it into a gunman town and a toilet and a garbage heap. We don't want you boy, man. I'm a land right there, saying.
Alright. Ian Dawson. Ian Dawson.
Yes, Kitty. Dress up yourself.
Yeah.
If I see him in the Gideon, I want to say the PNP will show what them plan to do for we. And they don't have a good record. So we are choose Jamaica, we are choose Dr. the Honorable Andrew Holness. He has done so much in such a short space of time, but we never see before. And I want to tell you, say, the people them abroad can't see it. And the PNP in Jamaica can't see it. But, you know, they say, the blindest man are the man when I want to see. You know? Because it's in their face. Yeah, the transformation, the amount of new building we have put up from Kingston to Montego Bay, from Montego Bay to Negril. Everywhere you go, you see 3 and 4 story ago. No man now building a little one room again. Every man a build 2 story. Okay, you pour in big. The people have ambition right and now to do the best. I tell you, Mr. Holness say, you can't sleep with the window and door open. And it have come to reality and it come like a PNP, then vex. Then vex because crime gone, murder gone down, you know. So what the man say him ever do, it have come, it have turned in a real reality. So then vex because them have to have something for your oppose, you know. And they no hunger up, they no hunger want something to benefit for oppose, you know, they want something to benefit from. Because they benefit from crime, you know. Because then lawyer go normal man the law school and then train as criminal lawyer to defend criminal, you know. When them get work, or when man get in a trouble, when man get charged a crime, and then can make them big money, and the parents them can't have to find lawyer fee, have to cash in their savings to pay a lawyer to release their son and their daughter. But thanks be to God, Andrew Holness has changed that. And I know that the father will help him if he can continue. PNP now win back, a landslide we win by. Okay, you hear them run up and down and a shout. At the whole island, them care with them. Them care the whole island back at them everywhere they go. All of the PNP, them you go see, at one place. You understand? We don't need that to do that. We work our evidence. And we are make our evidence sure. You understand?
Yeah.
COVID take 2 years. At the prosperity. But God, you know? And it's still a go on. And I hope and pray for my grand and my great grand then come to come inherit Jamaica. Because Jamaica is one of the best places on earth. I travel more than one country. So me know. You understand? Me know. So Jamaica is one of the best places. You understand? We just want to give time because a whole heap of destruction go on for 50 years. We could have reached further. If it wasn't for the PNP, we would have reached whole heap further in a Jamaica. Sometimes it pain me heart, it grieve me. To see what we could have happened if we never have the PNP a care down with infrastructure and a care down with every level so we try to build, then tear it down. Just like how they jump on the bus and them not realize that the bus are for everybody. The school bus have about GLP and PNP. Then don't know what to go up against. You know? Something so good as the school bus. Where we care about labor right and PNP, them a fight against it. Me know about the engine in them the bus. There are Cummins in them and them they are world class engine. You understand? And they need to go look on the documentary of the bus. How we build and the purpose we build for. And no coaster, no ordinary nothing. Bus they can't take lick. You understand? And then bus they can't go up it. And then bus body structure well built to protect Pitney. You understand? How good it is now. Your Pitney, that school, and you can die your yard and know what go on. You understand? The Pitney can't come with no excuse say he couldn't get bus, you know. He couldn't get bus because he couldn't get no drive. You understand? Your Pitney have to grow with manners and respect now. Because guess what? Our new generation we have built. We are trying to bring back the olden days when we see a old lady, we can't pass and say good morning. You understand? People are going to go on the bus and make sure so they behave themselves. It's a new generation we are built. You understand? But me don't know why some people love carelessness and they would have put everything to make the good thing now. You see, Squiddy, me I hope and pray. We want Andrew win landslide. Big statement that we are going forward.
Yeah.
I mean that to know, yeah?
That's right. Alright. Respect. Delroy, you say you want to come in the box, send a request, Delroy. Send a request. Delroy, send a request. Barry. Hey, Barry. 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 Inspiration. 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 Alright, brush.
Morning, Max.
Yeah, morning.
Question marks. The PNP them. I walk up here about the $30 million what they go do. Them thing upon the Prime Minister. The overseas investigation when they get. Where they don't find nothing. I walk up here back. Yeah, because they didn't know, you know. They didn't know from day one, so nothing go say, you know. And the man them say, taxpayer money. I go down the drain, and taxpayer money, so what on? $30 million I could have fixed one piece of road. $30 million I could have spent for one of the hospital. I buy 2 more vehicles, or 2 more bus. Who are going to pay it back? We need to ask Mark Golden who will pay it back. Because according to them, and when them do it, and I waste of taxpayer money, and waste $1. But they watch everything. So how they not talk about that? The money they waste, and if you want to ask again, is that illegal? Because yes, man.
So you can't change the name, brother.
I say go on.
That's the advice of so familiar.
I mean, man, everything in a, you have a train of command, right?
Yeah.
And you know, if you're in the army, you have to go search, you have to go after, if you have a problem, you can't jump and go straight to your captain. You have to talk to your lower rank first. And it go up, right? How does them jump over everybody's head and go out of the country to get somebody to go investigate somebody in the country? Who sign them paper there? How they get what? There's a law for that. You can't just get up and just say, okay, you say me a thief, so locals can't do it, so you just get up and say, all right, then me go foreign and I go spend $40 million to then come in and investigate me. I invade their privacy, that, you know.
Invasion of privacy.
I invasion that, brother. So who will pay about the money there? And who for go to prison? Because them being I say, only 30 man Andrew Holness I get a prison term. So who will go to prison for the PNP? It's thief the country money. Because we still don't know, you know. We still don't know, based on what them say they don't find nothing. We still don't know if a 30 million they spend. That we not nothing on documents to that. So how them they go? And let me see PNP in there chat rubbish. But who ask them how the money they go? And with all of the money when they waste already, and then still I waste more. Me here, he and his attack about one man now a country that will get too much in money. He get 300,000, but he don't collect in a fee name. Yeah, hear it? Yes. I know.
You said me it's something me that play last night. You played last night, you know.
So everything had up to, yeah, so everything had up to 7. I mean, I know, yeah. But obviously, in something alright. So I'll leave voice note that. How would that go? When the man now collect money in a fee name, collect in somebody's name. He collect 300, he collect 700, he collect 300, he collect 600,000 for the road, and the work not done. I him say so, you know. I him say so. And everything come up to 7.5 million. All the money they go. Okay, we need to question them, you know, but here go on now. After Andrew call election, if tomorrow call election, after election, we no can't talk about them. Oh, if we go to prison. That's all go on. Yeah. Somebody might go to prison.
Now when I did election, I go call tomorrow.
Yeah, one bro gonna call election tomorrow. We're there with tell PNP them.
No, I'm not calling tomorrow. I was just watching him went to a house and a lady overseas. Say, I'm coming home. I hear you calling the election. He said, no, I'm not calling tomorrow. We have a meeting. I'm not calling tomorrow.
Okay.
I don't know how I go on.
Oh,
We're
yeah.
going to gear up to our call tomorrow.
Yeah, we are look forward to the call tomorrow.
In our country.
Oh.
But you might
If you
have
say,
still had
as
that.
me I say, it's November, I feel them going to call it, you know.
Yeah, me I look for November for Joe.
Conference, me feel say I'm going to call it, you know.
But it's November.
Because the conference is November, right?
Yeah, for them conference in November.
And the PNP conference is September.
For them, yeah, PNP conference in September.
Yeah, the next month.
So if election no call before then conference, they're going to keep conference and they're going to put it out.
Yeah, man.
Them have money. You remember Margot in say, no, I am Margot, any Peter Mountain. They never stay there with the conference, they never pay the bill. And I am have to write a check.
Oh, so they can't even get arena right now.
Right.
So maybe they cancel for them conference.
No, we can't. They can't keep it like car park. They can't keep it like stadium car park.
All of them gather up.
Eh? And they can't get an half a tree.
But if November come, then you can't keep him conference.
What me think all over, they say PNP have money still now, but remember one time I see them keep conference and then give the people them the money and then give them in the t-shirt them. They run off and collect back every dollar from them.
Yes, I'm certain the man them lie.
I 2 times straight, me see that going.
So if they run out of money I know, because me have some money I run it. Me have some money I run our country, huh?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, what?
The people might take it, man.
Me say Peter Bunting I run money like full shit.
Yeah.
What? When I'm a car upon the egg judge forgot cleaning 4% here. It a stick up the whole of St. Mary for them.
Miss Crawford. Miss Crawford shit house, yeah. Miss Crawford shit house.
Boy, me no know. Boy, the PNP party, nobody never dream of the PNP party that reach. Gone to pass the dog and gone somewhere else.
I tell you, could never believe.
For your government, we are reigning for 18 straight year. They right now a chance. And them just drop some bluff. Something right.
Anything you do,
right, brother.
backfire, you know. People wicked is what they do to people. If you want the portion, people wicked is what them do.
Yeah, man, they not lie, brother. They suffer portion. Portion never deserve what she get. Yeah, bad to bad, Portia was a good leader. She opposed, but she know what to oppose and what not to oppose. This man don't know nothing about opposition. Everything you oppose.
Because the people,
The man is not politics, brother. The man is a businessman, you know. The man is not about politics.
and business not even going good. Him losing millions of dollars.
Yeah.
Him lose a lot of money in business not going on good.
Him is a field businessman.
Yes.
Boy, me I tell you, me never see nothing, me never see nothing go so yet. And when they buck into and realize, they take Jamaica for real leader.
You fool.
Yeah. Me I listen them all tonight, you know. Me listen Mark Bowling tonight.
Yeah.
And I the same message Mark Bowling spend like when he go up on the platform now, he spend like 10 minutes. 10 minutes or 15 minutes. No longer than that. And the only thing he can say, and the rent to own, and children there Westmoreland now, he say I'm gonna make the ganja man them get more safe than ganja. Cause Jamaica bring in ganja and the best ganja come from Jamaica and him go sit to that them thing they stop.
Hey,
Yo.
listen to 411. He is the one who fight against the smart people then with ganja. And his secretary, he will get up in a parliament and vote against it. The PNP secretary will get up in a parliament and vote against it. So my PNP are with them, man. The people who the fact that they are that.
Going on know about trade and carry come. Mark Bolin said no, Jamaica have to stop take food from other countries. I make the farmer them things sell. If this man don't know nothing, you have to take food from other countries.
Of course.
We come a media America and we get Jamaican stuff America.
Of course. Me too.
So and I send food come the same way. Just
But
like
guess
America
what?
that send food to Jamaica.
Hey, we can't get ackee. You get ackee?
No, me can't get none from with you.
You know what I'm from a day without getting ackee.
You know, me I go check, me go, you know, so me say me go call out a factory. Cause me used to supply them out the one out of Yellows. Me can't get 4 different stores me go from with you, man. I mean, I can't get none for you. Not even color me not get. Me don't know what go on.
You get color though. But no,
Me not get no color, you know.
No, you're not a thing to play.
Eh?
You're not a tape to play, because a man always chop with the tape.
Alright?
You're not a tape can play tonight.
Oh, me just, you know, so me did the road, me just reach it. Andre, I go live.
yeah, I drop off for you because I'm church.
Alright, respect. Pray for the Prime Minister, yeah?
Definitely.
Prime Minister, good man.
Alright, look where you're from, black man. Black man.
Yeah.
Yo, Squitty. Night. Boy, you know, say me just a China, me there, me hear nothing from night. Me there on the road, and just a come in. Yeah, me not hear nothing when I say from night, boss.
But we don't talk about only thing, we don't talk about the man, him not go to meeting tonight and all kind of thing we don't talk about.
Him not go out which meeting?
Down at Westmoreland.
Yeah? PNP meeting?
Yeah.
I tell you, say man mad up, man. You think I joke business? Damien fully mad right now, no? Can't find you.
Man, I rip a man him for him go out there and make a fool of himself.
Am I idiot because you go on now? You might talk about education, but yet still you gotta tell you them for wipe car glass.
Yeah.
So you're not trying
That conflict of interest right there, sir.
Yeah. Because you talk about education every day and what you want to do and what you want to extend teachers hours and all kind of thing. But yet still before you go out there go tell you themselves to go to school or go learn some trade and do something. You going out there wipe car glass. A clown business my daily right. Yeah man. Damien go out for that idiot man. You understand? Cause me don't know where my deal with man. He mad out. I tell you mad out Squitty. All like PNP them mad out. You know see it? And now that verdict there, what the Prime Minister get. All of them get crazy Squitty. Yeah man.
Yeah.
So right now, election for us call now. Yeah man, me don't even know if it all call an idea. But the election for us call now.
I don't think so.
Yeah? Squitty, you see a girl, I see her on Rusty Live. I don't know if she ever come by your live yet. I never see her yet. Name Warrior Love.
No.
Boy, you a young girl, boy. She bad, man. Bad, man. I told me never join earlier. Let me see.
Me put up, me make a post about Damien yesterday, you know.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, me make a post about Damien yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
And me post gone 96.4K.
What you say?
Yesterday me put you up and it got 96.4K. It have 2,708 at 785 comments. 379 to favorite and 1,487 share. In a one day.
Yeah, because Damien got clown out himself, boss. He make PNP look like more fool.
You want to hear it?
Yeah, man. What you mean if I want to hear it, Squitty, man?
The people who watch it. You hear that?
Yes, Damien, Crawford. Are you me come about today, brother?
145.
Zin?
Exchange.
On a serious note, I run the people in from the party, you know. You're one of the men where I run the people in from the PNP, you know, brother. With the gimmicks thing, you know. Politics is not gimmicks, you know, brother. You dip on the stage with gimmicks. And you bring the gimmicks in the street. Put on butterfoot slippers, and you and the youth, them like butterfoot slippers, stand up out there. I want to promote poverty. Poverty we not promote, brother. I show you man them say them can't go to go wipe car glass. Your talk say Prime Minister go to half a tree. Where what Prime Minister go wipe car glass? Tell me no dear man Crawford. You know say me the rate you, brother. Let me see you as a leader. But no me no say you're a free game follower. I follow back on Andrew, everything Andrew do you want to do, but Andrew style you. Because I know that Andrew go there go do. Andrew go there go promote him book, brother. Promote him achievement in him book. Over 200 achievement in 9 years, the man go promote. And now go to Africa all over the country. Then, and you run down out to Africa, say I wipe car glass and stand amongst you, look youth them. You look garrison youth them hungry. If you have wipe car glass. Instead of you go out there and tell the youth them, say youth, we don't let go the car glass thing and go art, go learn a skill. The country elevate, go learn a skill. Then, and big up on yourself. And that you should out there talk to the youth them about, you know. And that spread a message, you know. What wiping car glass are going to do? Eh? I want to turn off people, that's why so many people are run from the PNP, brother. I want to turn off people from the party, you know. That's why people are run from the party, they don't have no policy, no message, no leadership. Nothing at all, I say, brother. We go from PNP, you know. See? I mean, so rate you as a PNP, you to say, boy, you're going to be a great leader one day. But no. You're going to be a great goat man. A goat you're going to take care of. Because you're not going to win your seat. And you're going to end up saving this out of Africa children and your butter slippers and white car glass. You may tell you, brother. I tell you, Damien, I lose off of you big time. We don't rate you no more. Your ratings, I walk on the ratings right now and have a foot bottom. Flat. Like it's a concrete and a turn upon. Your ratings flat and ground. There. You see me? We don't rate you no more, brother. Gimmicks not run politics. So here, you have the gimmicks on the stage and you bring it out of the road. Gimmicks not run politics. Policies, the people they want to hear. They undecided they want your policies. When they undecided they want to get off you, they play gimmicks in a butter clippers and a white car glass. Among some youth and some butter clippers. What that's going to do? What that's going to do, brother? Lose on for you. Remember me tell you that.
Yeah, man. I used to never put you up and I said, shut.
I done you done him, man. I done you done him, Squitty.
Eh?
Squitty, you done him, man. I done you done him. You not realize what you do.
Yo, some people say we should have done politicians, some comment upon it. I say 195 comment.
You say, I done you done him. Because I never even know, so you say that I hear what I say. And you done say it already what me that say. The man go cloak up himself, because the man fair tell you them for go the man go there. A white car glass.
If somebody hear it, I make him listen, man. The man got a meeting tonight.
Navi, you don't sleep at night time. Navi, you don't sleep at night time. Navi and gatekeeper don't sleep. Anyway, yeah, man. That mash him up, man. Mash him up what you do, man. That's how you get so much weight in the planet. I mash up. Yeah, man. That mash up Damien Goat Ford, man. Yeah, man. Damien Goat Ford are idiot. Why am I go after you and do all them foolishness there? Him say me that go Friday and him really go?
Well, I mean, I know a man go drinking a rasta.
Lord, but the man don't no sense, man. Because here what going on. To me and somebody said the other day upon the live, you know. But he come like, he might try fix up himself for the leader. But how he might do it, he might go be one of the worst opposition leader.
I don't think he might go
if him go feet and win it.
Me think him a go win him seat. Not have a seat to turn the leader.
Squitty not here, you know.
Him have to have him win a seat to turn him leader. Turn a leader.
Hello?
You know hear me?
Yeah, me I hear you now.
And he say him have to win him seat to turn leader.
Yeah, and him not winning. Can clown out himself.
I think him a win it.
I hope he must can beat. I wish man that. It look like a outlaw, you know, outlaw.
Outlaw.
A outlaw now.
And I saw them come cheap in England there. So I saw him I used to hear.
Look like Plank beat him up too much. No, I want love, Plank love beat up. Yo, me I tell you say, Squitty, right now, me not say nothing as my virgin will live here with me. The man, they are PNP activists and them family them, you know. And right now, the man I say, he not say nothing what Mark Golden can come with the engine and do. Nothing at all. Them for just low and just kind of done and fix up Jamaica. The amount of project the man show up on TV, me there need to see some of them. Like the man build the whole of Jamaica one time, Squitty.
Big up Brother P. Yeah man, me and the man I read out the book last night.
I want you to talk about Squitty. You want to see all the pinnacle. I look on it on YouTube, you know.
Yeah.
You want to see the pinnacle.
Yeah.
That the place that have everything. When you go in the Squitty, you don't need to come out. You have everything in the supermarket, this, that. Yo, me don't know. The man will build a next place again. One beach place, boss. Me never done anything then. I mean, I tell you, say you want to see a house.
Yeah.
I never have everything there, so too. It's like the man a build city in a city, you know. I saw the man a build a place, you know.
Yeah.
When him done in Jamaica Squitty, see the one never jump up here, you know. yeah, man.
Yeah.
When him done in Jamaica Squitty, I run from here and go.
And go back a yard.
Yeah, man.
That's true, man.
You know, so the man a build a place.
Mm.
The Navi wants us up, man. I know she wants us up.
Navi, step up. Because we soon lock off at 12 o'clock, me are done.
Me nah know what say Squitty.
So you come in the box and I know me say. You come, we talk to Squitty.
Cause you are coming at the box.
You are coming in the box to laugh.
Yeah.
You must have something to say, man. How we are talking about?
No, me say Darian Crawford is a disgrace, Squitty. You never give a time where they will say Squitty video all over the place. Squitty you got viral.
Yeah,
Damien, go out for them there, man. Go out for it.
Me do one video the day before about one boy with this me and white boy.
Yeah, me see it.
He got 70,000 it there right now. But go man video past that, go man video mash it up. I tell you, when I call me for about, I said, let's see video with me and mash all my PNP friend call me. I said, Squitty, you leave Damien alone, man.
Squitty the man disgraceful.
Yeah, man.
And call it down on himself, man.
Them allow him for hang himself so him can't run for the party leadership.
When I all us, I make all us broke down on him.
Bunting and make everybody hang themselves so him can just run up for the party leadership. One by one, him and make them wait name day.
Yeah, man, Ian, them mad out, Ian. All of them mad out. You know, see them mad out, Squitty, them mad out, Squitty. Yo, like every PNP mad out, Squitty.
But I'm still mad. Yeah. So
Them tell life on the Prime Minister. Them tell life on the Prime
You see
Minister.
the one who I run for the Central Westmoreland, I want the next one to you know. No, when him doing was him can't stay home. Cause
doing
he
that.
drive.
This will drop him file, man.
All of them mad out, man.
Pretty.
Yes, sir.
Can everyone.
Respect all my love.
Bless up, man. Bless up.
Pretty, I just want to say one thing, because I'm here thinking, Squitty. And I'm here thinking about PJ Patterson.
governance. And Squiddy, I make an analogy about PJ Patterson governance in Jamaica. You will know, say, going to England, it's like an 8-hour flight.
Yeah.
Leaving from
9 hours. 9 hours.
Oh, 9 hours. We could keep it at 9 hours.
Yeah, 9 hours in England, yeah.
9 hours non-stop.
Yeah.
And Squiddy, you see, under PJ Patterson, it's like a flight leaving Jamaica, going to England. And as we take off the plane, the pilot said, we are facing turbulence. Put on your seatbelt. And we burn with belly under PJ just like how we have on the seatbelt. And can't get up out of the chair, Squiddy. Because the turbulence, the plane, we don't know what will happen if we go crash, what will happen. And so we just go through turbulence. When the first one come, the economic high interest rate, high inflation. Right after that, the whole of the financial system melt down. Pure turbulence with it.
But me, they might talk about tax again since night. Not going to talk about tax.
All of the turbulence and with it, what we have got to under PJ. Right after all the economic tumble down, high employment, turbulence, the plane we have a ban with belly, we can't come out and we see it. After the high employment, the crime take off pan with 1,000 normalization of murder in Jamaica. Turbulence under we king Squiddy. Right after that, extortion take over Jamaica and Spanish Town and do it over to Danza. Be a turbulence Squiddy. Let us scam in. Here comes let us scam. Turbulence would and kill with Squiddy. Andrew, if he come only plane, he take away, he sitting from PJ. And said, no, Bruce Golding can take away from him. And said, no, we could stabilize this. We have to stabilize this. We can't, this a plane, I can't land. And you know, this a plane, I go land, I crash, the whole I crash. And the whole of we go dead under PJ. It was a constant. People understand when a plane, when they say, when the pilot say, yo, put on a seatbelt and the turbulence, or we start fret, or we are living a fear as to what if this plane ever crash. It's the same way we would have live under PJ Patterson in Jamaica. The description of the plane ride to England, 9 hours, what a turbulence, and we have a bunny in the plane seat. And the same is identical to what we live under PJ. There is no better picture to PNP Squiddy. If there is a better picture to paint, I would love to meet that artist. That is how we were living, Squiddy. We ban, we tighten, we sit in the plane seat. That almost when we get up, we look like the girl and we wear the tight gurgles around them waist, we not no belly. Squiddy, one of the things under the People's National Party, you know, we could have run an advertisement in a Jamaica, you know. Come to Jamaica and you will lose weight.
Yeah.
Real life they are. Come to Jamaica and you will lose weight naturally because life are down here. Squiddy, a real thing we got through, you know, Squiddy. A real thing we got through. We got through hell. A little light we see at the tunnel right now. Some people are tell we say, no, I no light. That them a try to tell we, you know, Squiddy, after we are look through the tunnel and see the light down there. Some people are tell we say, no, I don't like that.
Yeah, darkness.
I see, I appear darkness, man, and we are see the light. But me know, say, you have to understand, say, it becomes so normalized and immune. Some people become so immune to it that they can't even understand when something is changing. Because the psychology is so damaged that they are so disappointed so much time that they cannot understand, say, listen me, if them say to them, if my own that I have loved disappoint me, how can I believe in somebody that I don't love? Even although the person that you don't love is doing good for you. The psychology of the human mind is a dangerous thing, Squitty. Tradition and culture is hard to change.
Sure.
Yeah? And the analogy of the plane ride from Jamaica in a turbulence going to England is what we and all the Jamaicans that understand when they're sitting in a plane and the pilot put on a seatbelt, them can understand these things. That is what we have went through in Jamaica based on all the crises that we have faced. Squitty is under the People's National Party. We have to start put police in our schools and under the People's National Party, we have to start put police in a school. This is where we were heading, Squitty.
Yeah.
We start lose up to the kids. We start lose. We have no control over the big people, and now it reached down to the kids. The country was literally gone, Squitty. If it wasn't for Bruce Golding that came in and stopped it and put a little hold, put him foot on the brake and a brake and the bowl like bus a burn out.
Mm-hmm.
If it wasn't that, Squitty, I guarantee you, you don't hear about 2 Caribbean countries in the Caribbean that has been overrun by gang because the police force in Jamaica, the security force was better equipped than the police force in Jamaica. The security them in Jamaica, we travel around in them archive car and them guardsman car and them gun waist and them uniform and bulletproof vest and all. When you look on a little Jamaican police, it look like one little man the government pick up off our street side and put in a one little hole sitting. The bumper drop off, a tape up and wire up and different type of thing. I saw the Jamaica police and look, bro. Under PJ Patterson. PJ, the police, them downtown, Gizzy, the Bullman. Yo, I want them people really understand what Jamaica was like.
Yeah.
We can't continue playing a fool of ourselves, you know, acting as if that these are not the realities of Jamaica, you know. We used to go in the community, and if something happened in certain community, probably the police would tell you, go talk to the Dan, because them can solve it better than we. We not have a vehicle to come down there. Sorry, ma'am, I can't come right. I'll come in the morning. Huh? Police lock up station house, him come in the morning.
And no vehicle under there.
No vehicle under there, Squitty, for the people them do no work. Police used to have one gun pan him waist and nothing else him doing, never handcuff him now, nothing. Him have to drape you up in your pants waist and girt you up and hold you up and them sitting there and almost lift you off of the ground and them thing there. So police used to have to do car in a handcuff and them something there. In a radio in a car, Squitty, can't call for no backup.
Them one of them waist and farmer line. One line a man, great the one of them.
Squitty will add a constant turbulence, Squitty. Constant. People, Squitty, we fear for our life in the plane is the same fear we have here in Jamaica. I wonder if people understand the fear of in turbulence going through the sky and the pilot you put on and you start worry and fret. Squitty, you ever go through them some of them flight there?
Yeah, man, you mean?
Squitty.
Last time I come back from Jamaica, I fret now, I take every minute. The plane I up and deep and I up and I go down and I go down.
Squitty, I told you that throughout the 90s, you know, Squitty, you identify, you know? Jamaica throughout the 90s, you're perfectly identifying all of the things that we went through that has become normalized. We're bunting us to be running to Washington to go talk to every congressman in there because a People's National Party activists in Mandeville, in Montego Bay, had started lotto scamming and it get out of hand in Jamaica. A people's activist from the party, they call him Bebe.
Yeah, baby.
I know me say so it's in all over in a paper and everything and it is known.
Nobody know about that. Nobody know about that. Public knowledge.
I'm bunting the throat the all way throughout Washington and beg and tell them say we're gonna do better and we under the PNP, bro. A disaster to Jamaica. The turbulence that is now we're trying to put behind we, that is telling us that they can fly this plane better than the pilot that is keeping the plane steady throughout this flight that we now embarked on.
All right. Well, let's look at Amalo. Make Judge talk as 12 o'clock never lock off.
All right. Yeah. So, Omalo, boy, if me know you, boy, I could have give you a hug, me tell you the honest truth. Because what you say makes so much sense. You know, embrace, yeah. Yeah. So, I've said it before, Squitty, but I want to repeat it. What actually happened is that we had the IMF for the first time in the 1970s. I'm repeating this because I want the young people to hear and know, because they just come up yesterday, they don't know coming through. And we had IMF in the 1970s. Manley kept failing for you to get our money. You have to put the financial affairs in the country in order, meaning stop spending so much money. Basically, what he did was pack the public sector with comrades, and him didn't want to lay them off. So he kept failing the IMF tests. Of course, he lose the election in 1980, and Seaga come in, and Seaga had to continue with the IMF program. Seaga continuing with the IMF program did what IMF said, i.e., lay off the people you don't need. Spitty, my father used to say this: too much rat can't dig one hole. I know he's a great bus driver, but if you can dig bad hole, you can't tell me say a 3 man a drive your bus one time. That don't make sense.
No.
A one man. So what they were doing, me hear somebody say, boy, in one place them had 10 man, 10 gate man at one institution. 10 gate man, you know, 10 people getting paid as a gate man. That's how they were wasting the public money. So, of course, Seaga now doing what the IMF want, which man they never want to do, lose the election in 89. PNP come back in quick and learn from the mistake, you know. Then come back in and start hire back a bag of people. And then we'll get the problem with the IMF again. IMF said, look, you have to cut public expenditure. Them don't want to do it. So hear what them do. Hear the wicked thing the PNP did, Squitty. Went to New York, borrow US dollar at 15-20%. Pay off IMF. And that is why the debt went up so much. That is why they kept taxing the Jamaican people every single budget, because the country couldn't afford it. Now, Omalo spoke about what Bruce did. What Bruce Golden did was say, okay, we don't have IMF anymore. We have these high interest US dollar debt, and we have some high interest Jamaican debt. Hey, Squitty, at one point, you know, overdraft rate went to 120%, you know. It was crazy, man. The country couldn't afford it. It was a crazy thing. So what ended up happening now is that when Bruce came in, hear what Bruce did. And this, the reason I'm mentioning this, because this is the beginning. This is the turning point for the country. This is when Jamaica starts seeing like ease. What he did
was say, look, we can't pay them debt here. We can't pay it. So it came with the Jamaica debt exchange, where they took in back those high interest bonds, extend the maturity, meaning it will take long before we have to pay it back, and lower the interest rate. That is how the Jamaican people started to see the light. That's when we start get a little break. That's when we start get things start improve. That is when the country start turn around. You understand? Now, two things, and I've mentioned it before, but I just wanted for the young people them to hear it. That what the government has done. All right, go on. Well, just basically,
again, we have to go continue.
just very quickly, what happened is that the government has now put laws in place to try to prevent any future PNP government from doing the recklessness that Omar Davis and them did with run with it policy and all of those things, high interest rate. The government has put these things in place. But if the PNP win the next election or any election, they will have the majority in parliament and they can change those laws. This is why the election is so important, my friend.
Yeah. You done?
Yeah, man. Yeah. Time ago, some of them better go no more.
Yeah, man. We could get the last word them now. Brush, give me the last word there, cause if you jump
Hey.
man.
No, my charger. Me I say, see?
Yeah.
No, I want. What me I say? Me go back. Me I touch back on the bus or something liquor.
Yeah, but we can't stay long on them top of the car.
Yeah, man.
The
Me know.
last word.
Yeah, man. I think what me think the government should do. You see the same policy where them have here, when the bus them stop. When the stop sign come out, all vehicles stop. Them I think them free. And them I implement that too. Yeah, so that me don't know, but me I just say I hopefully that in the book.
Yeah.
Once the school bus stop and put out the stop, you can't go on it on either side.
Oh.
I just that me that say. Just that me that say because them.
Happy day. Them have set everything in place. Yeah.
All right. Big up yourself then. We there.
So the last word that.
Yeah, man. You know, big up to everybody. Give thanks.
All right. Big up.
Yeah, man. Enough respect.
Yes, sir. Okay. Look like that's good. Yo, black man. Cannon.
Yes, Quitty.
Give me your last word then.
Yeah, man, my last word is PNP mad out. That's all I can say. Just go ahead and tomorrow talk. All of them mad out. Fully mad.
Alright.
We need more mad house.
Alright.
I'm broke now. Election tomorrow, so never so come mad.
Yeah, man, more all of them mad now. But big up everybody. Everybody just respect.
Yeah, man. One, two.
Yeah, man.
All right, Scotty. Big up yourself.
Yeah, man. Bless up, man. Bless up. Inspiration is good. Ian asleep too. All right, George. Are you know? Give me the last word there.
Yes. So,
Scotty.
all right, go on in. Go on.
My mic kind of off, you know, so I have to turn your hand back. Scotty.
Yeah, give me the last word there.
Continue doing what you're doing, Scotty. Because as some know say you really love Jamaica. You know, stay one side because some of the man them will operate the life, them must say they're no business. That means they hustle, them a hustle. And money they want to make, they just want to make money off of views already. But you attack, you pick the difference. Because you're born a long time, so you pick out the difference and you not hide the truth. You show the people them the truth. And Jaja God bless you for that. When you think about country, you have to think about country. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Real.
Jamaica, we say now, when we done a fire, we want to come home and our country nice.
Yeah, man, come rest and you have your friend pan gunshot car. Poor people
did it. Country nice and peaceful, brother.
Yeah, man, poor people. Yeah, man, people are suffering and wait for you for hold you up. You don't want that. Nobody can't see, you know.
Like Jamaica, we have to come over and get a little pension, you can't stretch.
What you mean, man?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So big up
All right,
yourself,
give me
man.
your last word. Your last word, that, right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so Squitty, my last word is that the Jamaican people are at a crossroads. Are we going to show confidence in ourselves and optimism for the future and continue on the path we're on? Because the country is growing, things are improving. Are we going to continue on this path of improvement, growth through confidence in our own ability? Or are we going to go back to the path to a set of people who have failed us, who have done so many wrongs, and who have not, Squitty, they have not outlined a plan as to what the future of Jamaica is going to look like? They have not. Right? So all I see them do is draw for the same people them who mash up the country in the past. Them doubling down. So Jamaica, we have a choice. Do we go back based on lack of confidence in ourselves, or based on our ability and we know we have the ability to make the country better? I say move forward. Don't go back.
Yes, sir. Respect. I see this man I know one giant, Mr. Boss man. He look like him is a PNP man. But I don't a show. Mr. Boss man, let me hear myself for a minute because the show I like half an hour. Mr. Boss man. Him sing a spin round. Yeah, man. So we're going to jump out of the box now and we're going to shut down the show.